how to deactivate your personal Facebook account. So once you're on the main page of your account, at the very top right hand corner there's a upside down triangle. You just click on that, and then you can click on settings, and on the left you want to click on your Facebook information, and then you just come down here where it says deactivation and deletion. You click, well, you can click anywhere, and then right here at the top just make sure that deactivate account is selected, and click the blue button where it says continue to account deactivation. Enter your password, click continue. Here it asks you, are you sure you want to deactivate your account? Just click on other, and then just put in an excuse, whatever it is. Honestly, you can just type in a bunch of full stops, and then you have an option to opt out of emails from Facebook, and to keep using Messenger. So if you want to keep using Messenger, just click on that, or don't, and then hit on deactivate. It will prompt you again to remind you, are you sure you want to deactivate your account? And you click on deactivate, and here you go, your account is deactivated. If you want to reactivate your account, you just re-log in with your email and your password, and your account will be activated again.